Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I'm already midway of doing my rocket cover gasket. However, I have found a leak on the back of my vacuum pump, so we're going to replace the O seals on that before we go any further. So let's get straight to it. The time I started the car, it smoked quite a lot because it was leaking from here and straight onto my exhaust, and it was leaking. You can't see it because I have wiped it, but it's leaking quite a lot of oil. There's two O-rings here and here, so we're going to take this unit off and we're going to replace the O-rings. So in order to remove the vacuum pump at the back, you have three 10mm bolts. They are very awkward to get to. So to get to them, you have to remove the back panel, which normally sits here. So you have to take off your window wipers, and then there's a bolt here, and then there's a bolt here. So in order to remove the pump, once you've undone your bolts, if you give it a good wiggle, it should come out. Okay, I'm gonna have to use two hands. 1 second. That did need two hands. If you just have a look though at this seal, it's actually stuck. See the state of that seal, unbelievable. Dread to think what the inside one looks like. To remove the middle seal, you've got T25 bolts you need to start unscrewing. So once it's open, you can see obviously this is where the pump is, and the seal is just covered in oil. As you can tell, it's completely warm. I've got a rounded nut. Whoever done this before didn't torque this right. I did manage actually to get this one out. So to do that, I hammered in a slightly bigger torque, which was T30. I'm lucky enough that it did come out. So let me just get this off and we'll continue with the cleaning. I've got the back plate off. You can just see how bad the seal is in there. I mean, if I get my pick, I mean, it's coated in rubbish. So we're going to give all that a clean up and then we'll continue. So good morning. I had to stop recording yesterday because it got way too dark, but I did clean the inside where my seal was. You can tell it's not black at all. I've also cleared the back plate. So now we're going to put in the new seal. Should just fit in, it should be in, it should go straight in nicely, like so. So once the seal's in place, you put on your backing plate. like so. You're going to put the bolts in and then we're going to torque it down. Right, you need to get your torque wrench and set that to 5. So first you're going to put them down to 5. That's 5. Once you've done it to 5 Newton meters, you're going to have to pull it up to 8, which is the final one. So 8 Newton meters. Cover on, and then you need to replace the O ring that's here. So now you can see the seal's on, it's nice and flush. So we're going to put it, so to do that it only goes in one way, so you might have to move this to the left or to the right to get it into the slot. I have already cleaned the back of the cylinder head where the seal sat before, so that's nice and clean, so it is literally good to go. So it's the same principle. You put it on, pop it in there, and then you just have to move this to the left and to the right. And then it sits in just like that. And then you need to put your 3 10mm bolts back in. So I'm going to put a little bit of lock thread on them, just a little tiny bit like that, and we're going to bolt it in. So now you can see I've screwed on my 3 10mm bolts, so it's really nice and secure now, and we're just going to start going in the reverse order how we took it apart. So we're going to put the pipe on, we're going to put our plastic trim back on, our back wall back on, and yeah. So now that everything's back on, the job is complete. It's all nice and clean, no leaks anymore. I'm going to continue now with my rocker cover gasket, and I hope that helps somebody. Thank you for watching.